sila din yung tumulong sa akin noon. They are the lactation specialist sa hospital. Ayan, sige. Ayan, ganyan gusto niya, naglalaro.
It's like a wiggly one.
Hi guys! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana ay okay kayo. Another day, another vlog po tayo. So today ay 30th of July. Anong oras na? Magta-12 o'clock na ng hapon, ng tanghali. Nakaayos tayo ngayon, pero kasi si Aliyah ay tulog. Lalabas kami to attend yung may breastfeeding picnic sa may cathedral. Andun yung mga breastfeeding team. There's something going on sa town, which is the breastfeeding week celebration. Since tayo ay nagbe-breastfeed pa din, siguro punta na lang tayo and see. Kasi yung breastfeeding team sa hospital, sila yung nag-organize nun. And sila yung tumulong sa akin nun, sa aking journey, sa aming journey sa breastfeeding. Ang lakas sumilik ni Lady, guys. So, pasensya na. Anyway. Okay. We're here in the car. Ano yun si Aliyah, oh. Tulog na tulog siya, guys. And the weather is nice. It's cloudy, but it's not too hot. Ayan. Kaya tayo naka-cardigan. Ayan. Anyway, let's go. Tingnan natin kung anong ganap doon sa katedral. And then, siguro maglakad-lakad na lang kami ni Aliyah sa town. So, basta nakita ko sa Facebook na Facebook post nung nurses, it's a breastfeeding celebration. So, since guys, nagpapa-breastfeeding tayo and also sila din yung tumulong sa akin noon, they are the lactation specialist sa hospital. Talagang hindi ko tinigilan. I didn't stop because Aliyah initially was not latching on. So, hindi siya, parang maliit yung mouth niya. She couldn't latch on sa aking nipple. So, I went back talaga sa hospital for few lactation sessions. Siguro, I went back 5 times just so I can get help. Which really helpful. So, naalala ko, ang dami ding mommy na pumunta doon noon. Naalala ko noon, marami ding mommy na nagpupunta doon to ask for help. And they were like giving their experiences, sharing their experiences, katulad ko. So, yung ginawa namin noon ni Aliyah, firstly, kasi feeling ko mababa yung supply ng milk ko. Kasi I really wanted to breastfeed her. It's something that I want to do. Hindi ko tinigilan. I didn't stop until we get to the track of breastfeeding. Hindi ko pa yung nagsisisihan. It is something that I don't regret doing. Until now, guys, Aliyah is breastfeeding. In-stop na niya yung kanyang formula kasi we call it combi feeding before. Na binibigyan ko pa rin siya ng formula even though I'm breastfeeding her. Kasi I felt like hindi siya nakakakuha ng enough milk. And until sabi one person said, if hindi siya umiiyak, if the baby is not crying, that means you're giving her enough milk. So if the baby is not asking for more, meaning, kasi we don't know we can't measure how much we're giving them. Pero once kasi nagpump ako, I felt like ang konti lang nakukuha ko. Pero sabi nila, iba daw yung pump, iba daw yung baby na nagsasuckle sa'yo. So, magkaiba sila nung galing on how to, to suck the milk. So, sabi nila, don't worry, just keep latching on. Initially, ang sakit, super painful. But, I said, no, I have to, persevere. So, yun guys, I persevered. And then, we're here. 1 year later, or 12 months later, kasi magwa 1 year na si Aliyah in 10 days, 11 days, I should say. We are still breastfeeding, guys. So, yeah, thankful ako dahil mayroong mga tao sa hospital na talagang pinupush nila ang breastfeeding. Because the best pa rin ang breastfeeding, guys. But don't get me wrong, as they say, fed baby is better, no? Than anything. So don't feel bad if you are if you're not breastfeeding, kasi we have our own reasons naman and situations in life. So which I respect personally. I'm just having coffee. By the way, may binili ako sa kanya. Ito. Bubbles. Para paggising niya, maglalaro kami. Ang daming tao dito sa cathedral. Ito yung cathedral na city namin. Ayan. Yan, ang daming tao. By the way guys, tapos na yung picnic ng breastfeeding. So, nagstay na lang kami behind. Ganda ng araw. Siguro lagi na lang kami dito pumunta. Cathedral ground. Ayan. Ito yung bubbles ni Aliyah. Gusto ko siyang maglaro ng bubbles because maganda sa cognitive ng bata. Apparently. I-ready na natin. Ayan. Uy. Oops, daisy. And then ayun. Ay. Paggising niya, tulog pa kasi siya guys, si Aliyah. Paggising niya, maglalaro kami. Ang gandang dito guys, people watch. Kakain na pala ako ng lunch ko. Gumawa ako ng sandwich sa bahay. Para hindi na ako bibili. So ako muna kakain. And then si Aliyah, kakainin ko siya mamaya. Paggising niya. Ayan. Aliyah. Binilang ko pa siya ng toy. Yung bubbles niya. 3 pounds.
She just wants some bread.
Doors opening. Going now. Doors closing. Doors opening. Going now. Doors closing.
Mommy might get you one of those now. Yeah, you love shopping. You love shopping like mommy. Gusto niyang mag-shopping, guys. Bilhan natin siya. Kasi parang gusto ko na siyang bilhan dito. Kasi parang meron na siya. Pag lumaki, 4 pounds na. No, don't eat it. Let's have a look. Check. Check. How much is this? Check. 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 £3? We're shopping. Oh, that's cute. Oh, don't eat it. Okay, guys, we're back in the car. Time check, 3:18. So, 3 hours tayo dito. So, around. So, maganda yung panahon, ang init na. So, si Aliyah, nasa likod. Sakto yung car park namin is 3 hours. So, we'll see you at home. Bye! And si Aliyah. Yeah! Happy girl siya. Let's go home, guys. Bye! Back at home. Ito si Aliyah. Ayan. Masarap na yung upo niya, guys. Nag-watch siya, nag-screen time siya para maayos ko yung mga pinamili namin. Hindi na ako nag-haul. Pero binilhan ko siya ng bigger size na pajamas. Kasi yung mga pajamas ni Aliyah ay mga pang 6 to 9 months. Kasi nung umalis kami, di ba, siya, 8 months. So, pagbalik namin, na siya, 10 month na siya. So, hindi na pa ako nakabili ng pajamas niya. So, kaya binilhan ko siya ng pajama, tsaka malaking sleeping bag. Ano pa ba yung mga binili ni Mami? Jeans. Bumili din ako ng jeans ni Aliyah kasi naka-sale sa H&M. And, yun. Tsaka bits and bobs for her birthday. Anyway. So, we're home. Well-spent day. outside, guys. So, parang maganda na yung weather kasi ngayon. Kaya na-enjoy namin yung picnic kanina. Hindi rin siya ganun kalamig. Hindi rin siya umulan. Hindi rin siya mahangin. So, it was perfect. So, kaya medyo matagal kami sa labas kanina. Nagstay pa kami doon a bit. So, hindi kami umuwi agad. So, yeah. Aliyah Gia! Hi! Aliyah Gia! Aliyah Gia! Iya! Iya! Ready? Nicely. There's Lady walking. And there's Aliyah and Dada playing the bubbles. Aliyah! So, here's me vlogging. We're out and about, guys. We're walking. Having an afternoon walk here at our estate. Ayan, sa subdivision or village namin, kumbaga. Ayun si Aliyah. Yun si Lady. So, we let go of Lady para ma-enjoy niya yung walk. Tingnan niyo dyan, guys, is very parang forest yung look niya. Pero behind those trees, highway siya.
You like the freedom?
Then here on this side is our yung mga bahay ba. Ayan. So, tapos na mag-work si Dad. Working from home siya today. Si Aliyah, ayaw niyang magstay sa kanyang ayaw niyang magstay sa stroller niya. Ayan, sige. Ayan, ganyan gusto niya, naglalaro. Hinahagis siya ni Dad. Samantala si Lady, ayun, Lady! Lady! Enjoy na enjoy siya. That's why she doesn't want to stay in her stroller. She loves to play. Silly. Silly game. Oh, babe. You know it's... Hello, good evening everyone. Time check, it's 7 o'clock na ng gabi. Diba? Magdi-dinner, magluluto na tayo ng dinner. By the way, guys, maliwanag pa sa labas. Nakabalik na tayo from our walk. But I just wanna show you. It's 7 o'clock na ng gabi. Ang taas pa ng haring araw. Yun yung oras. 7 na ng gabi. So, ang sunset ay mga 8:30 or 9, mga ganun. So, magluluto muna ako ng aming dinner. Magluluto lang naman ako ng spaghetti bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese. Yummy!
It's like a wiggly one.
Next time, Mommy will cook carbonara. Kain!